This isn't just a car. It listens. It feels. It understands you before you even speak. If this ride inspired you, go ahead, smash that subscribe and drop a like, and welcome to the world of true luxury.
Some cars are built and some are born. What if I told you there exists a car that doesn't just move and it breathes? A machine that feels the pulse of nature and listens to the heartbeat of its driver. This is not the future. This is Mercedes AVTR, a creation that blurs the line between human, machine, and soul. Inspired by Avatar, designed to connect with the earth. It's not just transportation. It's a living being sculpted from imagination. Every curve of the AVTR tells a story, not of power but of harmony. Its frame flows like water, molded to reduce drag and mimic the rhythm of living creatures. Unlike traditional cars, there's no steering wheel here. Instead, a glowing control pod rests between the seats. Touch it, and the car feels you. It recognizes your breathing, your heartbeat, even your energy. Those organic LED scales on its back, they move. Not for show, but to communicate, to breathe, to let the car express itself like a living entity. Mercedes didn't design this for speed. They designed it for connection. The AVTR doesn't just drive on the planet, it drives with it. They said machines can't feel, but the AVTR listens. There's no ignition key. The car wakes up when you touch it. The central console rises, glowing like a living heart under your palm. Sensors detect your pulse, syncing instantly with your body rhythm. From that moment, it becomes one with you, a silent partner that moves as your instincts move. Its wheels can rotate sideways, letting it glide like a crab across the ground. No limits, no straight lines, only fluid freedom. Every motion is calculated, but it looks like art. This isn't driving, this is dancing with the future. The AVTR doesn't need buttons or words. It understands intention. Through neural connectivity, it responds to your gestures, your gaze, even your thoughts. Look left. It knows you want to turn. Breathe deeply. It slows down with you. It learns your style, your comfort, your emotion, adapting every second. The interface projects a digital world onto the windshield, showing a living ecosystem rather than a cold map. You don't just drive through nature, you see it breathing with you. Mercedes calls it symbiotic mobility. But to those who experience it, it feels like telepathy on wheels. In a world that once ran on engines of greed, Mercedes imagined something purer, a harmony between human, machine, and earth. The AVTR runs on organic battery cells, made without rare metals, recyclable, non-toxic, powered by graphene. Every surface breathes, every curve is a whisper of efficiency. It doesn't just minimize waste, it heals the ecosystem around it. When the car stops, energy flows back into the grid, like a tree giving oxygen after every drive. This isn't just technology, it's atonement for centuries of pollution. A quiet promise that the future can be beautiful, only if we dare to dream differently. From the first spark of invention to the era of artificial intelligence, Mercedes has never just built cars, it has built time machines. Each creation carried the same belief, that luxury is not about wealth, but wisdom. And now, with the Vision AVTR, they've blurred the line between imagination and existence. No exhaust, no steering wheel, no boundary between dream and drive. Only energy, only emotion. This is not the end of innovation. This is where it begins again.